So I'm going to start leveling in this area. Basement approximately 800 square feet, and here is very crooked floor. So very important, I don't have to come up higher than this step already settled. So if I do more, so we have to change whole stairs height. So this is very important, and we have to check how's the level here. So if you have a look, green shadow, so I need to move a little bit. This is already, you see how it's high. There's a lot. And what we can do, we can move a little bit back, move a little bit back. So now it's fine. You see? Exactly under the step. Here is not much. There is high spot. There is low. The most lowest spot is right there. And we have to come by this line. You see? It shows where is the floor going up. So this side is going up. So I would make level by this point, and then that side I will use straight edge, make it flat, because it's really high. So let's go to start installation foam around the wall to avoid leaks, and then leveling. So after 4 hours preparation, what we have. So I just mark the line, which is I will follow for level, install membrane on the side to avoid sound transmission and leave a gap between wall and self-leveling compound. You see, fill up the all cracks and old and new concrete connection, and put primer. So now it's ready to start leveling. So guys, it's still not leveling. I just when start set up tripods from the left side in the closet, there was like almost 3 inches down, and I get decision to just put self-leveling compound coat on this area and fill up as much as I can that low spot, and do leveling after next day. Also, I forgot to tell you, if you remember, on the middle was so bad spot, there was a lot of mud. What I did, I just washed whole floor with water. First of all, I have idea to grind it, but grinding it spent a lot of time, too dusty. I just washed floors like 3 buckets of water. Just when it's dirty, take it off and wash it with sponge another time. So this is the way, very faster and less dust and almost the same result like grinding. Yesterday I put here just here is skim coat. This I put more. If you can see why I put this coat first before I start use tripods, because it's here is a lot of self-leveling compound. I put maybe inch in some places. So now it's not so much need to put, and I set up tripod with laser. I found the, you see this highest spot. I make square. It's exactly matched with bottom of this riser, so exactly line right here. And now I wanna level it by, you see, here is there is a high, this is lower, and just I wanna come to exactly this line. When it's dry, I will grind this place and make some patches and use straight edge, because this side is higher than this area. When I finish leveling, approximately 2 inches, you know, just sloping down. So I wanna make nice level this main area. This floor will be stable and it's not sliding to any other sides if it's just some part of little bit higher, you know. This is the point, my point, what I am doing, and I am sure it's not be problem in the future. So let's go to do leveling. So I want to show you how the laser works. So if I put it right here, you see the green line exactly on all tripods, you see, see, all of it. So that's why I need to use laser. If you taking tripods, laser need 100% because it's very easy to set up. Now everything ready. Don't forget to use mat. I already put bucket of water right here. This barrel very comfortable for me, and I can work alone. I don't need anybody who can help me, you know, to carry this barrel. So for 1 bucket of water, I'm using 3 bags of self-leveling compound. So it's so fast to do leveling. If it's compared when you're using only bucket, mixing 1 bucket, 1 bag, 1 bucket, 1 bag, so long. So barrel, 3 bags, fast. And you need to do some measuring water, just bucket water, 3 bags, bucket water, 3 bags. This is from my experience. You can use it for free. Sometimes I'm not using spiked shoes because very easy to spread the self-leveling compound. You know, there are some corners, need to push it easy. Okay, it's already self-leveling compound exactly comes to the bottom plate. Okay. Well, here is the line I marked. This is the highest spot, and I don't want to put any self-leveling compound here. I just move it out. In this room, I'm using spike roller more often than, you know, if it's a colder area. There is so hot inside, and self-leveling compound drying so fast. So that's why I'm just doing part rolling, doing part and rolling. Here it is. You see how it's nice now. Just I'm very satisfied with what I did. You see, no reflection, wavy something. Just you see, nice clear picture. It means it's like mirror. So no any spots, high, low. Okay. So this side, later when it's dry, I just smoothly grinding, and it will be so good. And then after weekend, I wanna grinding, leveling this part. It's higher, like I explained before, but now much better. This is already not so much to do. So this is how they work laser and tripods, guys. So I hope it will help you if you will use it. See you next video.